Nope. Let me tell you about my best friend. It's a giant greatsword. Dude, leave our fucking thing alone. Meanie! Mean! Man! Mean! Man! Damn it, I would... Damn! Get back up! I'm a warrior! I'm a warrior! I'm a warrior! Oh no! Ah!
Hey, I just want y'all to know. Somebody commented a while back and said, give me a price on that truck. Listen, if y'all see anything in the background here that y'all want to buy, look, all you got to do is send me a price in the messenger. I'm going to tell you, I'll sell anything I got.